At this simple VPN application, pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. It's pretty much the home screen of the application, and at the top here, just go ahead and select your server that you want to use. But they don't have much servers, so I recommend you let it stay on the smart location, which pretty much selects the fastest server for you. However, if you want to select any other server like these, can go ahead. So once you select your server, or if you're going to use the fastest server option, just tap on or slide across to connect the VPN. Once you have done that, the VPN will be connected in no time. Over here you have the app filtering feature, which can allow your application if you do not want to get connection by just disabling it or tapping on it like that. But that's really pretty much a very simple VPN. I would say servers are very fast and little to no ads at all. Most VPN applications you will see a bunch of ads. This one, it's very good. So comment below and let me know your thoughts on this one. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.